Corporate customer confidence was really damaged during the financial crisis. What do you think banks can do to rebuild trust and deliver a more personalised treasury service?
Well, I think what we've seen in the past couple of years on the back of the crisis and the extra regulation that's come in with the banks, that there's been a tendency to be a little bit inward looking. And I think certainly from what we're hearing from the mid-corporate and the SME market is that banks perhaps have forgotten the requirements of the customer. And they're going through exactly the same thing in terms of wanting to be more, doing more in-depth risk management and cash management. And they're asking more from the banks who are busy off trying to fix their own problems in risk management. So I think it's just a matter of refocusing, thinking in terms of the information that the corporates need, which is essentially just complete, accurate cash management data, really.
What products, services and channels do you think banks need to deliver in order to improve corporate customer satisfaction?
Well, I think again, if we focus on what the customer's trying to do, which is really to squeeze as much liquidity out of their business as they can, and we're seeing a lot of demand for maybe hybrid pooling structures in some of the maybe areas where you can't do real pooling and get ownership over that cash. So I think it's really delivering complete information and being a little bit more innovative in the way that you can allow corporates access and use of the cash around the business.
Liquidity management has become a real hot topic. What do you think are the drivers behind this for the corporates?
Well, I think, again, what we've seen a refocusing in the past couple of years around risk management and around liquidity, and it's essential really, as we saw traditional sources of liquidity dry up, that the corporations are trying to maximise the use of the cash they have, whether that's through cash pooling, bringing all the cash to the centre, or whether it's really looking at trade finance and trying to reduce the number of days it takes to get an LC out of the door. And we're seeing a lot of time wasted around that. So I think maybe more of a closer union of the cash side and the trade finance side is something the banks could probably consider to offer a complete working capital solution to the customers.